To fill out your employee withholding W-4, this is your federal form. You fill one out for the state of Missouri, and you fill one out for the federal government. This is for your taxes. This is to show how much money you want to have withheld from your paycheck. This would come out of your payroll every single month, okay, or week, or however often you get paid. Okay, to fill out, first of all, we're going to put your first name, middle initial. You can follow along with me using your name. Your social security number, as we will use in everything, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can put your address in. Jackson Row, 63755. Okay, you're going to put if you're single or married, filing separately, married, filing jointly, or head of household. Okay, for yourself, you're going to put single or married, filing separately. Myself, since I am married, I would put married, filing jointly. But at this time, single. Okay, and now we're going to, it says complete steps 2 through 4 only if they apply to you. Otherwise, skip to step 5. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, complete step 1 if you hold more than one job at a time. Okay, if you are married, filing jointly, or if you're a spouse. Do only one of the following, okay? Well, we're going to say you only have one job, okay? So then complete steps 3 and 4 on Form W-4 for only one of these jobs, okay? So we're going to skip on down to number 5. And all you would have to do on number 5 is sign and date, because you would only be having one job, okay? But let's just talk about some of the other steps. Step 2 is if you have multiple jobs, okay? If there are, this would be something you would fill out if you were married, filing together. Step 3 is how many dependents you might claim. Dependents are usually people not under the age of 17, okay? But they could be all the way up to 26 if they're still in college. Or it could be a grandma or somebody that lives with you who is dependent upon your income. Okay, so that is how you would fill this out, sign, and date it. Now, one thing I do need to tell you, you can claim exempt status. Exempt status means you're not probably going to make a lot of money this year, so you can have federal withholding exempt. And to do that, and there's no other place to do this, except when you read, you just write under 4C, exempt status. And that's how you file your exempt status. Questions? Thanks.